Are you tired of bank fees silently draining your hard-earned cash? Let's be honest, traditional banks can feel, well, traditional. Stuck in their ways, piling on fees for every little transaction. If you're looking for a more modern approach to banking, a way to keep more money in your pocket, then Tangerine might be the answer you've been searching for. Tangerine is a digital bank in Canada, offering a suite of financial products with a focus on convenience and keeping those pesky fees at bay. Intrigued? Great! Because in this video, we're diving deep into how to open a Tangerine account, step by step. But before we jump in, let's talk about why Tangerine might be a good fit for you. Maybe you're a young professional starting out, tired of the student account rut and ready for something that grows with you. Perhaps you're a freelancer or entrepreneur, needing a flexible banking solution that keeps up with your on-the-go lifestyle. Or maybe, like many of us, you're simply fed up with unnecessary bank charges. Whatever your reason, Tangerine offers a strong selection of everyday banking tools, minus the monthly maintenance fees. We're talking checking accounts, high-interest savings accounts, credit cards, and more. So, if you're ready to ditch the bank blues and give Tangerine a try, let's get started on opening that account. First things first, you'll need to be a resident of Canada and at least 18 years old. Tangerine caters specifically to the Canadian market, so this is an important point to consider. If you check that box, then great news, you're eligible. There are two main ways to open a Tangerine account, online or by visiting a Canada Post location. Let's break down both methods for you. Opening an account online is the quickest and easiest option. Head over to the Tangerine website and click on the Open an Account button. From there, you'll be guided through a user-friendly application process. They'll ask you for some basic information, including your contact details, employment status, and social insurance number. Now, here's a cool feature Tangerine offers, funding your new account. They don't require you to walk into a physical branch to make an initial deposit. You can easily link your existing bank account and transfer some seed money electronically. Alternatively, you can write yourself a check from your current account, deposit a photo of it through the Tangerine mobile app, and voila! Your new account is funded and ready to go. The second option is to visit a Canada Post location. While not all Canada Post locations offer this service, some do. You can check their website to find a participating branch near you. Once there, speak to a customer service representative who will guide you through the application process. They might have some additional documents to collect, so it's always a good idea to bring a valid ID with you, just in case. No matter which method you choose, the entire process shouldn't take longer than 10 to 15 minutes. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your login credentials and be ready to explore the world of Tangerine banking. Here are a few extra things to keep in mind. Tangerine is an online bank, so there are no physical branches. However, their customer service team is readily available by phone or online chat. They also have a robust mobile app that allows you to manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. Finally, when it comes to fees, Tangerine keeps things transparent. They offer a no-fee checking account, perfect for everyday transactions. There are some minimal fees associated with certain services, like non-sufficient funds or using ATMs outside their network. However, Tangerine is very clear about their fees up front, so you won't be hit with any surprise charges. So, there you have it. Opening a Tangerine account is a quick and straightforward process. With their focus on convenience, fee-friendly approach, and suite of digital banking tools, Tangerine might be the perfect fit for anyone looking to take control of their finances. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.